Ever wonder how much the food you're eating right now impacts your brain function and overall mental health? Or perhaps you've heard about organic food, its numerous benefits, and you're curious to know more? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to a journey through the art of meal prepping, an enlightening exploration of organic eating and its profound influence on mental clarity. So, what exactly is meal prepping? Imagine you're a painter, but instead of a palette loaded with paint, you have a kitchen filled with wholesome organic ingredients. Meal prepping is the art of creating your weekly masterpiece in advance. It's the process of planning, preparing, and packaging your meals ahead of time, ensuring that they're nutritionally balanced, delicious, and ready to go when you are. Starting this journey may seem daunting, but fear not. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process of meal prepping. The first step involves planning your meals. This means deciding what you'll eat for each meal and snack throughout the week. Consider your dietary needs, your health goals, and of course your taste preferences. Next, make a detailed shopping list based on your meal plan. Be sure to include a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. And remember, stick to organic, natural foods as much as possible. Now, it's time for the fun part. Shopping. Visit your local farmer's market or organic grocery store and fill your basket with colorful fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Keep an eye out for seasonal produce and locally sourced items. Once you've gathered your ingredients, it's time to cook. This might involve grilling chicken, roasting vegetables, or preparing a big batch of quinoa. Try to keep your cooking methods healthy too. Think steaming, baking, or stir-frying. Finally, portion out your meals into individual containers. This step ensures you have the right amount of food for each meal, and it makes grabbing your meals on the go a breeze. But why go through all this effort? Why should you consider meal prepping with organic foods, particularly for mental clarity? Well, the benefits are manifold. A diet rich in organic foods provides your body with optimal nutrients, free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. These nutrients, particularly antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and B vitamins, are vital for brain health. Moreover, meal prepping takes the stress out of deciding what to eat each day. This leaves more mental energy for tasks that require focus and creativity. Plus, knowing you're nourishing your body with high-quality food can boost your mood and overall mental well-being. In a nutshell, the art of meal prepping is a journey of self-discovery and self-care. It's about making conscious decisions about what goes into your body. It's about embracing organic eating, not just for the physical benefits, but for enhanced mental clarity. So, next time you find yourself in the kitchen, think of yourself as an artist who uses organic ingredients to create a masterpiece of a meal that nourishes not just the body, but the mind as well. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your physical health, and what you eat plays a crucial role in both. So, equip yourself with the right knowledge, plan your meals, shop smart, cook with love, and enjoy the journey of organic eating. It's not just a lifestyle, it's an art, the art of meal prepping. Thank you for tuning in to Healthy Living Boulevard. If you found this video helpful, don't miss out on our future content. Hit that subscribe button